Number 3, I do not eat out.
Oh well, it started with that video and then someone said,
"Would love to see a what I cook eat in a week video from you because I remember you mentioned in one of your vlogs that cooking your own meals has saved you a lot of money."
And then my mother said,
"Yeah, I'll love to see that too."
So here we are, grocery haul. Let's start from here. I got some tuna, then I got some chicken, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomatoes, some potatoes. It's never grocery shopping if I didn't get ice cream. And this one I got the blue bell cookie, chocolate chip cookie dough, Milo, avocado, jolly bread, Minute Maid, some apples, Fanta pineapple, margarita, yogurts, sardines, eggs, onga, and geisha. So this is everything I got. Okay, first off, y'all know how to pour me a glass of margarita because cooking all this in one day is not easy. So I made some stew for white rice and anything else I felt like eating stew with. I made spaghetti with fish, then I made white rice, of course, for the stew, and then I made some boiled eggs too because for some reason that week I was craving boiled eggs. So those are the bowls I put the food in and then put it in the fridge because then I just cook a lot and put it in the fridge and eat it throughout the week. So technically, this is what my lunchbox looks like going to work every day. Every morning I have yogurt and apples for breakfast. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, I guess. So on Monday, I had jollof rice and boiled eggs for lunch. And then I came back home and had these leftovers for dinner. It was basically leftover baked beans, some avocado, jollof rice and sardines to top that up. On Tuesday, I had spaghetti and boiled eggs for lunch. When I tell you that pasta was On Wednesday, I brought me some rice and stew. Now Thursday, this is what I look like generally at work. Yeah, I look homeless, I know. But anywho, I had to bring me some more pasta on... What day is this? I'm confused. Anywho, you guys keep track. But I had to bring me some pasta because that pasta was so good. One of my friends even had me... He asked me to cook it for him again, but I didn't. Which I will soon, probably, if he's watching this. But it was so good. So when I got home, I ate rice and stew again for the second time in the week. And then for some reason, late at night, I started to crave ice cream. And of course, I always have ice cream in my freezer. So I took some of the ice cream, which gave me cough later on. But anywho, now next day, Friday, I decided to fry some eggs out. Wait, I just discovered I made a joke. You know, Friday, fry eggs. Oh my gosh. I was craving fried eggs because I hadn't had it in a long time, so I just fried some for myself and had it with avocados, tomatoes and bread, and I made some hot cocoa, and this was it was amazing. I love food. Okay, so later in the day I went to IKEA and then I ate IKEA hot dog for dinner, I suppose. So now Saturday, it's back to the normal yogurt for breakfast. I just had yogurt but without apples on Saturday. And then in the afternoon on Saturday, a few hours after I had breakfast, I took white rice and stew, chicken stew with avocados. For some reason, avocados just always spice up life. You guys need to try avocado with rice, try avocado with bread, try avocado with everything. It's just like that one thing that you cannot go wrong with. Later that evening, my roommate got me suya. She's such a darling, and suya is B. How was that transition? Okay, so I basically made fried potatoes. But I remember the suya from last night. I warmed it up and I didn't want the onions to waste. So I used the onions to garnish the fried potatoes I made. So I made fried potatoes with fried eggs too. Then I put some ketchup on it, as usual, with fried potatoes. And I took that with Minute Maid fruit punch. In case you were wondering, this is the ketchup I use. It's the Whataburger spicy ketchup. This ketchup is heaven. Anywho, on Saturday I forgot to show a video of when I actually made the chicken, but I made more than this. This was actually the leftovers, and this chicken tasted, all I can say is my bride price is going up. But anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment and a like, and bye.